Hi, this is Mike with Family Handyman. I find myself working at home more and more often lately. I came up with a way to build a standing desk with $25 worth of hardware and a few scraps that were lying around. I'm going for quick and easy so that we can stay productive while we work from home. Let's get started. First thing is to cut the plywood down to 14 inches by 24 inches. Then cut the 1x3 to fit around the outside of the tabletop. Then glue and nail the apron to the side of the tabletop. Install the leg hardware and screw on the legs. It's really easy and you're back to work in no time. That's it. Now I've got a really great workstation that fits exactly what I need day to day. It was really easy and it only took me about 20 minutes. I used some scraps from the wood shop and spent about $25 on hardware, and I'd say that this is a really beginner project and I know you can do it. For more hints, tips, and other great projects like this, head to familyhandyman.com.